graph y equals 3 cube root x plus 2 using integer values. Notice how I paused when I said plus 2 because the plus 2 is not inside the root. If I'm setting up my table using my default cube numbers, -1, 0, 1, and 8, this one I don't see a number inside the root to counter with, as in like an h number, but technically if it's not there, that means my h would be 0. Now you can either just use -8, -1, 0 on 8, or if you want just the comfort of it, you can still add your 0 to those, even though it's going to be the same numbers. -8, -1, 0, 1, 8. We need to set up our scratch work over here. 3 cube root plus 2. 3 cube root plus 2. Making sure that that plus 2 is not inside the root. It's a very easy mistake when you're typing in your calculator. I'm using the new numbers that I generated, even though they are still -8, -1, 0, 1, 8. If you run those in your calculator, you'll get the following outputs. I like to start in the middle row because that's where the 0 is at. I'm going to get an output of 2, then 5, 8, voice crack, -1, and -4. Once again, there's a pattern in there. Let's see if you can figure it out. Put these ordered pairs on a graph, and then we're done. -8, -4, be right there. -1, -1, 0, 2, 1, 5, and then 8, 8. All right, this graph is a lot more stretched out because there is that times 3 multiplier in there. So it does make the S shape, it's just very stretched out. So do your best to try to put a slight curve in that middle there and then carry it backwards. As long as, like I said, as long as you have the appropriate dots on the graph and you're trying to make this sort of S shape, then you're good.